Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a job portal website on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be doing some light work here. I'll just be explaining the basics to you, and pretty much what you need to do is just fix up your site or how it looks, and that should be enough. Now, you do need to have a couple of different things set up. Of course, you should have the business plan or higher to set up permalinks or something that is useful along those lines. Now, what you need to do is customize your appearance. So let's go into the editor. And now we're going to customize a few pages on my site. Now, I've already done this before, so I'm just going to go ahead and pretty much just explain to you how it looks like. Now, this is a blog page that was just automatically generated when I created this site. So I'm just going to delete everything on here, and we're going to be creating a couple of different pages just to show you guys the principle behind this. Now, once I delete everything here, yes, I will be deleting everything. So just bear with me for a second. So it should be Shift Alt Z. There we go. Now that we have an empty page which we can work with, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create a sort of list. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a heading here and say our available jobs are. Of course, you should create a homepage which looks nice. I'm just going to skip over that part. And we have this text added now. So I'm going to add a list. And now you have, for example, I don't know, IT specialist, or rather, let's say something specific. So let me just redo the list. For example, Java dev, JavaScript dev, database engineer, etc., etc. And let's say this is the list of our available jobs. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to create a page for each of these jobs just so people can more accurately see what the job is about. So I'm just going to select this text, I'm going to link it, and I'm going to say, for example, /Java dev, and it's going to enable me to create a new page, which is called Java dev, which I will work, or which I will add, and then we're going to go to that page, which is going to be empty. Now, as you can see, for some reason, it's showing me a previous page, which I'm going to edit. So let's click on edit, and I'm going to delete these here elements, or rather, I'm just going to rename them. And for example, Java specialist or Java developer, and I'll just write the description as writes Java code, just something simple. And now we have a button that I've added from earlier. Now, as you can see, I've added a button that says apply for this position, and I'm just going to click on that button, click link, and let me just select the entire button itself, then click link, and search or type URL. I'm just going to say Java application. Let's say that is our link, and I'm going to just click OK, and we can then create a new page which is called Java application. Now, as you can see, this says page not found, so let's edit this page if it allows me to. So let's go ahead and edit that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to change all of this, delete these, and now we're going to add a form, and it's going to be a sign up form. So let's try or contact form. So let's try contact, and let's say contact form. And here you can add name, email, pretty much their credentials, their simple sort of motivational message. And then you can also add a link for them to, well, get their CV or their resume uploaded, and then they can apply with this, and then you can contact them from there on out. And that is pretty much the basic way that you can do this. You can do this a lot nicer and a lot cleaner. Of course, I would recommend using plugins for WordPress. I can't because I'm on the free plan, but it is what it is. Once you're done, just save, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.